Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of business processes. We'll explore primary, support, and management processes and how they work together to drive organizational success. Let's start with primary processes. These are end-to-end, cross-functional processes that directly deliver value to the customer. Think of them as the core activities that fulfill an organization's mission. Each step in a primary process adds value, ultimately leading to the creation or delivery of a product or service. Next, we have support processes. These processes are designed to support primary processes by managing resources and infrastructure. While they don't directly deliver value to customers, they are essential for the smooth operation of primary processes. Examples include IT support, human resources, and finance. Finally, let's talk about management processes. These processes are designed to measure, monitor, and control business activities. They ensure that both primary and support processes are executed efficiently and effectively, meeting operational, financial, regulatory, and legal goals. Understanding how primary, support, and management processes interact is crucial for effective business process management. Together, they create a cohesive system that drives organizational success. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management. See you next time.